Hey friends, if Ethernet keeps disconnecting in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. How would you update the network drivers? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek network adapter. Select properties. And okay, we don't find it here, but let us say in this one or this one. Okay, I'll show it on the Realtek family controller. Go to the power management tab. Uncheck the box associated with allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter and update it to the latest version. And lastly, network reset. Now I'll tell you why network reset, because network reset itself will entail all the solutions like IP release, IP renew, flush, DNS, reset WinSock and everything in one command. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.